India's Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar on Wednesday inaugurated the foundation for the Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub in New Shillong alongside Governor C.H Vijayashankar, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma and Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh. The project, costing Rs 77.5 crore, will be built on 6.5 acres and aims to provide youth with incubation, training and industry partnerships. The Vice President praised Meghalaya's leadership for nurturing the state's young population and highlighted the importance of skilling youth to boost entrepreneurship and economic growth. He also launched the CM Business Catalyst Student B Plan Challenge in collaboration with IIM Shillong and witnessed the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Meghalaya government and the UNDP to promote entrepreneurship. Vice President Dhankhar emphasized the government's commitment to youth empowerment, citing Prime Minister Modi's skilling programs and a Rs 60,000 crore investment to train 5 lakh young people over the next 5 years.
We will be contributing hugely to the growth of the nation. And therefore, this has to be done. Skilling by itself is capacity building. I have seen for myself. We don't take the first step. We fear it. We fear it thinking it is difficult. Let me tell you, there is no step which our youth cannot take. All are equal. You must be guided by your attitude and aptitude. But therein, if you get an idea in your mind, please don't make your mind as a parking place. Your mind is meant to be a crucible of innovation. Try it. It's a remarkable achievement that will be game changer. What I saw here, and much of it is already in progress, I can visualize the days of this state are for the better and role model for other similar states. My congratulations to you and your team for being very thoughtful, futuristic, and taking into consideration our contemporaneous needs and requirements. Congratulations. A visit by legislators to Indian Parliament will make all the difference. It will add value to their work better.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma stressed the importance of supporting youth entrepreneurship, noting that 85% of the state's population is under 45 years of age. He outlined various government programs aimed at training and financially supporting rural entrepreneurs for the state's development.
Being Vice President, you have many other responsibilities, and yet you have decided to spend one full day and even halt in Shillong for one night so that you're able to spend ample time with the people and be able to really see what are the different activities and things that are happening in the state of Meghalaya.
But in rural areas, especially when it comes to food processing, we realize there's huge opportunities. So this is just one picture of one of the food processing units that has come up. And we are taking products from the farmers out there, and we're making local ice cream, local juice, local chips in this particular location.